Okay, I decided to go a little heavier today. I have these pace weights that I can add a pound at a time. So instead of doing 25, I'm going to do 26 pounds.
Are you guys ready to go? You guys ready to go? All right, you
Did I say 25? I mean 35, 36. Here we go. Woo!
You got mode, the beast mode. Bring it down. Control on my cue. 1, 2, and start. There you go. Controls on the way down. I'm with you all the way, guys. Whew. You at home. I am with you all the way. There you go. You got 3 more. Squeeze all the way out. 2 more. There you go. You see those shakes? That's why it's working. Drop the weight. We're going right to the line over.
Okay. Dropping to 30.
Set it up. Stay
Woo!
on your knees and drop down on my cue. 1, 2, and 1. Good. 2. Down. Squeeze up. Nice. Squeeze up. There you go. Come on. Up. Down. 2 more. Up. Down. Both together. There you go. Bring it down. Drop it. That was bad. There you go. Stop.
Alright, this.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Shush.
Get some water. Get some water. Right.
Nice.
The weight.
Okay, a little bit of triceps here.
That's beast mode. You know the beast is feeling it. We're all feeling it. It's rock and roll. Right. We're gonna bring it home. But you gotta stay strong, baby. You gotta make sure that everything is right. Safety is number 1. All right.
Hey.
Let's have fun.
Woo!
1, 2, and go.
I guess I'm ahead of him. Alright.
Bring it down. Up. Control it. Squeeze on top. There you go, baby. Come on. All the way. Let go.